The year is coming to an end now. You're so angry with yourself. You are angry like you've not benefited anything. You didn't get all the things you want to get. You're so pissed. Why are you angry? What did you plant? Did you plant anything? Did you plant anything that you want to harvest? So you cannot just think of harvest when you've not planted. You have to plant so that you can harvest when it's time for harvest. 2026 is fast approaching, just some few days to go. I hope you will not treat 2026 the way you treat 2025. Start early, start planting early in 2026. Start planning. Start thinking of the things that you want to plant so you can harvest by the end of 2026. Nobody do you, now you do yourself. A lot of people cash out this 2025 based on their investment, based on what they were able to put in place, based on what they planted. But you did not plant anything. Now you're angry. Don't be angry. Forgive yourself. Just learn the lesson. Learn the lesson. And make sure you utilize 2026 very well. Start early for your own good. I love you. Stay positive. Ah.